Well, it's the Financial Answer Extra. Thanks for tuning into the program here with Nathan O'Brien and myself, Mark Killian. We appreciate you checking out these little videos we do from the radio show, The Financial Answer, which you can catch Nathan on each week right here in the Hub City area. And, of course, you can catch these videos online like you're doing right now at Facebook or his website, that is investorcoach.net. So, Nathan, let's do our In the News segment this week.
Okay.
And, this is obviously something you've been getting a lot of questions on. Everybody's got questions about this one, right? It's the new tax bill. So
that's right, yeah.
Now that you've had some time, now that you've had some time to digest it, what do you think and how do you see it affecting clients?
Well, I like it. I mean, I've seen a lot of positive from it. I think that we're going to see, of course, the market went up, definitely.
Right. Good response, yeah.
Good reaction from them passing that. But, there's a lot of positives in there. One thing that's really going to affect a lot of people positively will be the standard deductions going up so much. They went to $24,000 for a married couple, so a pretty good increase there, and lots of good things that are going to happen.
Some minor things too, right? Like the $500 added to was it 401ks?
Yeah, that's right.
18.5, I think now.
Yeah, they typically, bump those up. Not every year, but they did not touch the IRAs and Roth IRAs. They didn't raise those contributions at all.
Yeah, I saw that.
The contribution limits. But one thing that I want people to be aware of is that, we can do Roth conversions, okay? And historically, when you do a Roth conversion, if you went to your accountant and, they calculated everything and it was going to be a $10 billion tax bill for you, then you could say, wait, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to reverse back and go back where, just put it all back in and everything was fine and you didn't have to pay that tax bill. But now, going forward, 2018, until they change the law in the future, you cannot do that. And there's no do-overs anymore with the Roth conversion. So also another thing, and this is something that all registered investment advisors are going to have to deal with, but clients in the past have been able to deduct our management fees off of their taxes. They can no longer do that now. So that was a negative also that came from the bill. But other than that, I really think that I really feel everyone that I've talked to, all of my clients that I've talked to about this, and even lower income all the way up to really, really wealthy, I think they're all going to have a tax reduction. So
I noticed that. It looks like, there's not for sure, I guess, but it kind of looks like they're all going to drop down a little bit. So
I mean, you could have some little areas. I think with business owners, there's a little area where it could potentially be a little more in taxes because of that 20% pass through that LLCs and sole proprietors and all could take advantage of. But so that's something that I think people are going to have to work with a little bit with their accountant and see how they can fix that. But I think there's a couple of easy fixes to be able to either save money or at least not pay any more. So definitely. And so it's going to be good. I'm really excited about it, and I think it's going to be a positive for our country and help the economy grow even more. And hopefully that will generate more revenue to the government to pay off this debt that we have. So we'll see. The only way we'll know for sure is in 3 years.
As it's moving along a little bit. So
that's right.
Well, hopefully it'll play out to where it helps some of us anyway. I think it's going to help a lot of people, but we'll see. Like you said, the jury's kind of still out on that. But that's the In the News moment here on the Financial Answer Extra with Nathan O'Brien and myself, Mark Killian. Make sure you tune into the radio program every week. We certainly appreciate you listening to what we have to say and talking about things and thinking about your finances and your retirement as you get there. And, of course, you can find Nathan online, as I said, at investorcoach.net. You can give him a call at 855-51-COACH. And if you want to check out the Retirement Rescue Toolkit, that's going to pop up here in just a second. We'll talk to you next time on the Financial Answer Extra. Thanks, Nathan. We'll see you then. Bye.